It's my hair. Period.
Yes, girl. Okay, I see you.
Today's gonna be a vloggy vlog. I'm taking you guys on a little journey. I got chosen by this company, Go Sleek, to do content day with them where they would do my hair, makeup, and actually see the transition of before and after with their products. I hope that you guys like this video. It's going to be amazing. So here is the Go Sleek Hair Salon in Atlanta, Georgia. It's absolutely beautiful. As of right now, there's someone that's sitting down getting their hair done. Obviously it's content day, so they're capturing content for their hair, their products. I don't really know what they're going to be doing with my hair, but that's the whole point of this, is trusting the process. So this is the first time I'm ever trying a U-part wig, which I'm very excited about. As you guys know, I hate frontal wigs. I just do not like wigs. It's just so uncomfortable. But a U-part wig is a little bit more natural. It's not as intense, and I'm just so excited. Miss Monique right now, the owner of Go Sleek, is just making sure that I'm comfortable, making sure that the wig is sitting correctly on my scalp.
And it should always feel comfortable. If it feels like it's pulling, you just want to readjust your tone. It's not a big deal. And then she has a wig comb in the back. Just stick it anywhere. One of those braids. How does that feel? Unit. Now we're going to go through, straighten the unit as well as straighten her out.
Is it comfortable? Good.
I know it comes.
I know it comes.
Oh no, you know how to do it now. You just got a tutorial. Just spin. They can.
So right now, Miss Monique is blow drying out my hair, and then she's going to straighten it. Now you guys think that I was playing. You saw how wavy this hair was, and now look how straight it's going to get after using the Go Sleek straightener.
C7 face and body, and then using matte studio fix.
Because I can never, like, honestly, my solid color, it's always hard to find.
Yeah, let's look at in the mirror. C7. Yeah, it looks just like your skin.
Wow. What brand is that?
That's matte. I always like to use that underneath.
We're gonna knock for lip gloss and everything else. But that matches, like,
It's just like your skin.
Yeah.
And it's lightweight.
Here is a close-up shot of my makeup. As you guys can see, it did take some time, but it definitely turned out very nice. I'm actually excited for this look. It's not too bold, but it's just right. Y'all, look at the end result. I know I don't be wearing makeup like that, but this right here, you guys got half of the result. Look at this, y'all. I don't wear lashes because I can't do it correctly. But I'm gonna try a little bit more. But it's so pretty. Here is another model for today's work. She's getting her makeup done while I'm waiting to get my hair done. There is another model that is sitting down, and her hair looks amazing. These are actually clip-ins. It blends perfectly with her gray natural streaks. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I know you guys can see how straight this hair is. Y'all, it's just giving me life right now. I was a giant on Kiss Bod. Guys, look how natural this looks. It was. Y'all, look at this coming from the scalp. The scalp. This is my hair. Period. We're just trimming it, you know, giving it the natural flow. Yes. You guys, look at my hair. Look at the Amazons. It looked like my hair is coming from my scalp. Miss Monique in the back did her thing. Got the edges. You guys have to make sure you grab it. The Go Sleek. It's perfect for your edges.
The little goes a long way. We didn't even use that.
Look, y'all. Look. Now, y'all know I always complain about my edges being white. And look. So this is perfect. You guys have to definitely. I'll put the link down low. We use also her straightener. Go Sleek straightener.
Well, that one been through it. Okay.
You guys don't understand. The hair was. It's allowed though. You're gonna understand. She straightened this. I'm gonna show you guys the footage before, and look how bouncy it is. It was perfectly bone straight. She added a little bit of curls. It literally did every single thing that we needed to be done. Okay. Yeah. So I just changed into my outfit. It's obviously giving you sexiness, fall vibes. It's giving everything it's supposed to give.
Yes, girl. Okay, I see you.
It's definitely a wrap for me. It's the end of the day, the content day, the shoot. Everything was so cute and came out so nice. The people are simply amazing. They're so sweet. The owner of Go Sleek, I'm gonna put the link down low. You guys have to definitely check out her products. Her products worked amazing on this hair. Her hair is good. Everything is A1, you guys. So I'm not just saying that just to say that, but as you guys can see, the transformation from before to now, her products are the real. It's really legit. If you guys aren't tapped in, you guys know what to do. You guys need to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed to your girl, what are you doing? Y'all, what are you doing? Tune in till next time. I'm gonna have a couple more videos, content for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, y'all.